The biggest dilemma any supply and demand trader faces is to identify on which stock or which time frame there are good quality zone formations. So the stock scanning process takes a long time. So I have addressed this issue with the help of a supply demand zone indicator which we have developed for trading view charts. This indicator plots the zones on any chart, any time frame. And after that, whenever a zone is formed, an alert is sent to a Telegram channel. So the user is notified that there are good zone formations on certain stocks on certain time frames. So now instead of checking all the charts, a trader can just go and check the log on the Telegram channel. So you have an alert log which is posted at the end of the day. So from there you come to know on which stocks and which time frames there are good zone formations. So instead of looking through all the stocks, you can just go and check those particular alerts. So this fastens the stock scanning process and saves a lot of time. I'll just give you a quick overview of the indicator and how the Telegram alerts function. So the chart that you can see on my screen is Bharti Airtel 125-minute time frame. It's only a price chart. There is no indicator on this chart. So where do you find this supply and demand zone automated indicator? So for this, I need to provide you access. It's an invite only script. Once I have enabled access, then you will be able to use this indicator. So if you see this tab on the top that says indicators and strategies, click on that, and there under invite only scripts, you will find this indicator, supply and demand zone indicator, MK Trading School. So let's apply it to the chart. So once I apply this indicator on the chart, now you see this indicator has plotted the demand zone that was formed today. It's a 125-minute rally base rally formation. So this indicator will help you to plot automated zones on the chart on different time frames starting right from 1 minute all the way up to a monthly or a yearly chart. So whatever time frames that you trade on, you can apply the indicator and check for zones that are formed on that particular time frame. Let's have a look at the settings. So over here a user can change the distal line and the proximal line color. So here I have kept the proximal line as light green, the distal line for demand as dark green, and here red, and I would say a maroon color for a distal line of supply zone. So what is this explosiveness? So explosiveness means how strong is the leg out. So the values that I like to use is 1.1 for time frames that is 75 and above. Anything that's on a lower time frame, let's say 5 minute, 10 minute or a 15-minute chart, I would prefer to have more explosive levels there. So the explosiveness that I try to use on those small time frames would be about 1.5. And the violation, so the basis for violation in the indicator by default is set to high and low. I like to keep the violation of distal and distal lines of supply and demand on high and low basis. If you want, you can keep it on closing basis as well, but my recommendation is to keep it on high-low basis. So these are the settings for the indicator. So how do I use the indicator now for scanning for opportunities? In this case, the indicator is plotted on the chart and I can see only the zones on that particular chart. But what if I want to know what are the zones that are created on all FNO stocks? So as a trader, I monitor only the FNO stocks. I don't look beyond that. So the alerts that I have designed is for mainly FNO stocks. So here, these alerts would be sent through a Telegram channel on a real-time basis. So whenever the zone is formed, you will find an alert on the Telegram channel. Let's have a look at the channel here. So here on my screen, if you see, there are two channels. One is a MKTS swing and positional alerts, and the second one is for short-term alerts. So let's read out the pinned message here. So this says you will get the alerts on 75, 125, weekly, monthly and daily time frames. Alerts are only for FNO stocks and alerts are basis of spot levels, the cash levels. And very important friends, do not treat this as a trading tip or a recommendation. You have to use it as a starting point. So once you have these alerts, Then you need to do your entire analysis, do a top-down approach, and then decide whether it fits your trade plan. And let's have a look at how these alerts will feature on the channel. So if you see here, the last alert that I got for today was the stock name is first CO Forge. It came on a daily time frame. 1D time frame stands for a daily time frame. It was a demand zone formation, rally base rally, and I have the distal and proximal line values. So like this, you will get alerts for whatever zones are formed real-time basis. Plus, at the end of the day, someone from my team would upload an Excel file. Generally, it would be done by 6 p.m. of all the alerts that are created on that particular day. So these are the swing and positional alerts. Let's open the Excel file. So over here you have all the alerts that were created starting from a 75-minute time frame going up to the monthly time frame. So here you can filter out whatever alerts you require. Suppose you are a trader who trades only a 125-minute time frame. So you put a filter. So let's filter only for 125-minute time frame zones. So now I have a list of only 125-minute time frame zones that were created on the day. And here you can further filter down on the zone formations. Let's say you're looking at only a demand zone rally base rally formation, then only filter for rally base rally. So multiple things can be done the way you want it. You can see for alerts on various time frames, various stocks. So this was the swing and positional alerts. There is a channel for short-term alerts. So on the short-term alerts, currently I'll be sending you alerts only on 15 and 25-minute time frames. Going down to 5-10-minute time frames, you will have too many alerts on a day, difficult to monitor. So we'll restrict it to 15-25 to start with, and later on, based on your feedback, we can add more time frames. So here there will be an Excel file that will give you the short-term alerts for the day. So this is all about the automated indicator and the alert service that you will get through Telegram. A lot of supply demand traders are currently using this indicator and alert services, and I have received very good feedback from them. This has really helped them in fastening the entire stock scanning process. Before subscribing for the indicator and alert services, you can avail a free demo of the same. All you need to do is submit your details in the prescribed form, and once we have your credentials, my support team will activate the demo within 24 hours. Just a word of caution, blindly do not trade all the alerts that you receive on the channel. It should be used as a starting point. One must then go and check whether those zones fit your rules of the supply demand trading strategy. So it is highly recommended that you should be aware of supply demand trading strategy to make complete use of this indicator and alerts. If you are not aware of supply demand trading strategy, then you can visit our website mktradingschool.com and sign up for the Master Stock Trading with Supply and Demand Trading Strategy course. Take care, stay safe and happy trading.